Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your Instagram application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account and tap on the profile icon from the home page at the lower right hand corner. This will take you to your profile. From your profile page on Instagram, tap on Edit Profile right beneath your profile picture and go to the username tab and give it a tap. Simply erase the current username and type in the username that you'd like to change to. Once you make your change, tap on the Done button at the top right hand corner. Remember that your username needs to be unique to you. It cannot be longer than 30 characters and you can only use letters, numbers, periods and underscores on your username. Tap on Done at the top right hand one more time and you'll be able to change your username for Instagram. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.